Hello tubes, I'm coming here with just an update. I'm really just making this video for anybody who has a Kohler powered engine. This happens to be on a Poulon, so this is the area engine. You have this particular type of air filter cover or whatever. There's this one, I trash picked, and it didn't have the air filter cover. I had this air filter and I just put this on with zip ties. See a previous video on how I did this. But the updated part is available that redoes this entire airbox, and I just got it off of eBay. And I'm just making this video to inform everybody out there who's looking for it. This kit, you get a new back plate, a new air filter, and a new cover right here. This one snaps on, and so it doesn't. The other one had a snap that was here, and that would break or wouldn't work. So Kohler redesigned it, and you get your directions here and how to install it. You know, it's pretty simple. And they give you a new a gasket for the back of this. So I'm going to go ahead and install this on this one, and you know, this will be for sale next season. Hey tubes. Now, I'm gonna undo this. This was a good hack. So you just simply take that out. This is all 10 mil bolts. So yesterday I was putting spark plugs in my son's car, and found out one of the coil packs was cracked. I didn't get that on video, unfortunately. But I'll do a video when I fix that coil pack. It still works. It just it's cracked, so I couldn't change the plug on that one. I changed the other 5 plugs. So you really just take this off, undo the undo the lines. Undo the PCV lines. They don't want to come off. Get yourself a flathead screwdriver, and they should twist it, and it should come off. Twist it. Comes off. That's the old gasket. Here's the new one. Here. See. You just stick this on like that. This is pretty standard stuff, so I really just made this just to inform people that there is a replacement. Stick the new. Stick this on. Got the air filter, and we got the gaskets in place. Stick this. Get your bolts. And in the description of this video, I'll put the part number for this upgrade kit. The filter itself is usually $5. This was like $17 off eBay. new air filter. Upgraded airbox for your Kohler engine. I'll post here's the, see if this, see, no, it's not that one. I believe that is the part number for it. And here's your directions on how to install it, although you really don't need directions. It's pretty straightforward. Later, tubes.